Ipatatawag pa rin ang mga tinaguriang BGC Boys sa isasagawang pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee kaugnay ng flood control scandal. Ito ay ang mga dating engineer ng Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH na sina Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez at JP Mendoza. Kasunod ito ng mga lumabas na balita na may plano umanong mag-recant o bawiin ang kanilang naunang mga sinumpaang salaysay. Bagaman itinanggi na ito ng abogado ni Alcantara, sinabi ni Senador Panfilo Lacson, chairperson ng Blue Ribbon, na nais nilang marinig sa BGC Boys at mai-record ng komite kung anong dahilan ng paglabas ng ulat.
We would also seek further clarification from the so-called BGC Boys and what prompted reports that they have recanted or planning to recant their testimonies before the committee or any other investigating body.
Plano ring imbitahan ng Blue Ribbon si dating DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Ayon kay Lacson, labis siyang pinagtataka kung paano napasok sa eksena si dating Philippine National Police Chief General Nicolas Torre III.
I also intend to clarify with former Yusek Bernardo the circumstances behind a failed attempt by former Chief PNP and now MMDA General Manager Nicolas Torre to take him under the custody of the latter and find out for what purpose.
Nakatakdang isagawa ang pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon sa Lunes, January 19. Asher Cadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.